Hello and welcome back. In this video we are going to work with spinbox and messagebox of Tkinter. First of all, I want to import from Tkinter import star, and let's make window here is equal to tk and window dot main loop we will make here. We should spinbox also input type of button, so we have to make a variable here as spin here is equal to string where. Let's make a spinbox. Spinbox is equal to spin, and this is spinbox, and let's pass the value here window and text variable is equal to spin variable, and we have to pass something here, a limit from is equal to 0 and 2 is equal to, I want to pass here 10, or you can make from, I want to make from 10 to 20 here. It will run from 10 to let's make 40, 10, 11, 12 to 40. Let's grid it. I will make button 2 and one function 2 dot grid row is equal to 0, column is equal to 0. Let's make button equal to button when is equal to submit. I will make it submit simply. Submit, and here I will give command is equal to lambda and so. Let's grid it. Row is equal to 1 and column is equal to 0, and save it and see it if it works or not, and we will do some function here. It is text variable here, not text variable. Let's run it again. It is option text variable is not giving here me hello variable variable. Here I have done mistake here. Yes, this is an spinbox. If we make down, it will not work. It will make up, it will go up to 40 and it will stop. This is a spinbox. It may be useful in some cases you want, there may be the useful for you. And let's make the function here. I will make function inside the loop here. Let's make the function of defined we have made. So here instead of showing in cell, I will show in here. We have not grid in some value. I will show simply in what you told that message box. So first of all, we have to get here a is equal to, we are getting here spin var dot get, and we have to import some library here, that is from Tkinter import messagebox. Let's print. There we can print in two types, by error or info. info for success. First of all, I will print info messagebox dot show info. We have to pass the heading here first. I will say showing, and I will pass the variable here. From info box, I will make this from spinbox, and plus I will pass the variable a. Let's see if we got it. Run module, submit. Yes, we have got here from spinbox. It is 10 value. This is showing us information, and let's make it to error here. So we have to pass error. Let's save and run it and submit, and let's check another value. So error is not here. I have not erased this. Let's make this. Yes, it is giving us error. This sign is error. Okay, make other text here and submit. Yes, I have got same text. This is how we can get message box. And I want to show something that may have already done. Here I will go to my file. Here we have made in checkbox. As when we click radio, it opens checkbox. When we click radio, it opens. This method is not for good practice. It is a bad practice because we are calling this file here for security purpose. If we have their login button, if we are login, if the password and username match, then we can send that user to that next window after that. But here we have not done that value. We are not giving this. We are not giving this because I can run this window also directly, and from here I can run this radio button checkbox. Then I can run here checkbox directly also. And I want when this click, only this would run neither by directly. For this we have to do in one file, and you may wonder how can we make two windows in one file, because in any language, either in HTML, either in VB.NET, either in ASP.NET, that are the main graphic aspect, we cannot make in one file for two window. And here we can make in next video. I will not in next video, in our series of one program we have made that, we will do that. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.